What is up, subscribers? BBelle here, and welcome to an unboxing video. Today, as you guys can tell by the title, we are unboxing my iPhone 12 Pro. Before we get started, I just want to let you guys know that I stream on Twitch every single day. So if you guys are interested in checking out some content over there, click the first link in the description down below. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And let's do this. As you can see, it's kind of opened already. It's because my brother also got the same phone, so he opened it first, and now I'm going to be opening it. It's retaped. I haven't looked at it, nor have I looked at the phone, so we're gonna open this. I got a new unboxing setup going on here, so we have a new mic as well. So this, okay, I'm so excited. If you guys are wondering, I currently have the iPhone XR. But this is my phone. We're going to be comparing it to this new phone. Ooh, there's a preferred little slit. Let me just... Ooh. Let's open this up. I almost dropped it on the phone. Ooh, that is so clean. That is a clean machine. Let's move this to the side. So, oh my God, that's pretty cool. Let's do a quick taking off. Is this it smells? I was like, I got a very strong whiff. That smells... I don't even know how to describe to you the beauty of this device. I like the Apple logo is different than this phone's Apple logo in the sense that it's more matte than reflective, if you can kind of tell. Also, it's way lower. The newest design of the box, by the way, is very thin because they do not include a brick anymore for you to charge with. So all you got is the lightning to USB-C cable here, and you have to buy your own charging brick if you want that. Then a very simple, designed by Apple in California. You get your SIM card tray, which I will be needing, and our Apple sticker here. So it's all very, very basic information. Oh, I forgot. There's a little iPhone plan flip before you use your iPhone. The size difference, oh, I do see it. The bezels on this new iPhone is a lot smaller. Not a lot, but relatively smaller than the old one. Let's see if we can turn on the new iPhone. You got some juice in you? It does. I noticed immediately that this side aluminum frame, I'm getting some fingerprints. It's not that bad, but it's probably way worse with like the lighter colors. With the darker color, it's not as bad. Here we go. The official hello screen. Coming from an iPhone XR, the screen is just amazing. And already it's telling me to set up my iPhone. So unlock to continue, which I'm gonna do. Okay guys, so here is the iPhone 12 Pro case and the Gorilla Glass. Here, let's read it. The Later Case Uncompromising Screen Protector, made with Gorilla Glass. So this is from Later Case, aka Unbox Therapy. This is their line of screen protectors, which I decided to get because they said that it was supposed to be super, super flat. And I really, really want that when it comes to a new phone. This is going to be the case. I have opened it already prior to this video because I was curious on what it looks like. Yeah, this is the case. It will probably get some sort of, not really smudging, but it has the same exact color scheme. This keeps locking on me. It's kind of triggering. And then here is the Gorilla Glass screen protector, which if you open it up, it's this nice little sticky outie. And here's the screen protector. It actually comes with two of them, just in case, you know, you mess anything up. And yeah, so I'm going to be putting this on the phone. I'm going to put on this protector. Let me show you guys. When I put on the case, there's like an icon that shows up. Perfect. Which shows you guys this is a MagSafe case. And here it is on the case. This phone feels so flush and it feels so different in the hands compared to my old iPhone, which was more rounded and was kind of harder to hold. This one's a lot easier to hold. Let's do some camera comparisons. So let's take a picture of my setup real quick. This is the 1x. This is the 0.50 times. And this is the 2x zoom in. All from the same angle. Now the portrait mode. I don't know if anything is portrait mode now. Let's try this. Oh, it does work. So the case is now portrait mode. And let's try the video. So this is a video of the iPhone, back facing, and 1x zoom video footage really quickly. This is 30. Let's put it to HD 60. So here is some footage using the iPhone. Here is 2x zoom. You guys can see the detail on that, and really wide angle showcase of the room here. It's kind of crazy. And then let's do the front facing camera. Front facing photo. We like it. Ooh, that's so crisp. Oh, that's good. Portrait. Oh, that's really good. That's a good freaking photo. I'm looking at it now. That's a good photo. Going back to video really quickly. Apparently you could do 4K at 60 frames. Here's 4K footage at 60 frames. This has got to be crazy. Here's a little zoom in, 4K. That's some interesting results. Yeah, this is crazy. This phone is really nice looking. Hey guys, it's BBelle showing with front-facing camera and the capability on the iPhone 12 Pro. I have a very shaky hand. Apologies for that. But yeah, how's it look? I think it looks pretty sick, man. Camera and the capability. Oh, it's HDR too. 12 Pro. I love it. I love it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video of the iPhone 12 Pro. I had a ton of fun unboxing it, and this is my new go-to device. I'm super excited about it. If you guys have any more questions about it, let me know in the comment section down below. If you want a follow-up video, also let me know. I'm going to be using this as my main daily driver, so yeah, ask me any questions that you have, and I might do a new video if there's a ton. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe for some more videos in the future. I'll see you guys in the next one. We'll do some more.